how to allow or deny apps access permission to call logs on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then tap on security and privacy. After that, we scroll down, then tap on permission manager. In here, go down and tap on call logs. And in the call logs page, go down the list and select or tap on the app that you want to grant or deny permission. So here we got the allow section and not allow section. So if you want to remove access to call logs, you tap on the app in the allow section and then choose don't allow, and then tap on the back key. Now if you want to grant the app access to call logs, you go down to not allow and then tap on the app and then choose allow. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.